Hi guys, this is Vidhu, your strength and nutrition coach. And in this video today, I'm going to briefly describe the kind of services that we are offering as a part of our Outlaw Lift services. Okay, as a part of our coaching, as a part of our consulting. First is strength training. Okay, when we talk about strength training, it's not your typical gym-based strength training. Okay, of course there is a gym involved, but there could not be. Okay, so we have a lot of options available, which I will touch upon later in this video. However, when we talk about strength training, it's right from the scratch, right from where you are in your life in general. So we obviously consider what your end goal is, but we start from where your trainability is, where your body is, where you're lacking, where your body is restricting you, where you're good at. Okay, so we strengthen your strengths, but we also do strengthen the weaknesses. So if you are here at A, you want to reach Z, the gap between A to Z, that is your goal, is what we help you bridge. All right, and in the process you learn a lot of things. You learn a lot of things about training, you learn a lot of things about your own body, about your own mentality, and that is where the entire process of getting better starts. With respect to nutrition, this is not your typical dietitian based program that I will write what you have to eat at a certain period of time. However, with nutrition, apart from reaching your goals, we ensure that you are staying happy through the process. Okay, it is very important to be happy, because with nutrition we are associated emotionally, we are associated mentally, we are associated physically as well, but most often it's emotional. Okay, we do a lot of emotional, lot of social sort of eating, so we don't restrict you in any way. However, there is a plan, because you have to reach a goal, but that plan will not restrict you in any way. You are responsible for your own plan, and you will plan your own nutrition. Okay, and basis that you will reach your goal. Then there is the third component, which is the garage gym or home gym based services, where I can help you in building your own home gym, build your own whatever space, be it in a garage, be it in any other, be it in your own apartment, in your basement, anywhere. Right from utilizing the space, whatever space you have, utilizing the cost. Okay, sourcing the equipment from the most cost effective resources across pan India, maybe across the globe. Okay, and then you utilizing the bare minimum that you have already or you have sourced already, and get the maximum out of it. Okay, so these are the three major services. Now what makes it so unique so that you enroll with us? I don't want you to continue with me after a certain period of time. Okay, don't continue with Outlaw Lift after a certain period of time, because in the certain number of months, on certain number of years that you are training with me or coaching or consulting with me, you are going to learn a lot about yourself in the process. Every individual is different. You as an individual will learn who you are, what are your strengths, where are you, your body is restricting you, where is your mind restricting you. And when you learn all this about yourself, you will learn how to break through the barriers, how to improve, with respect to strength training, with respect to any goal in physique, maybe any goal with respect to nutrition. You will understand where your preferences are, where you lose out a bit maybe, and how to improve upon that. Okay, so the whole idea of Outlaw Lift is you to be the outlaw. Don't get stuck to a training facility or a gym. You see what is best for yourself, learn about yourself, and then go out there, go outdoors, be it in your own home gym, be it outdoors, any other commercial gym, and do whatever is best for you, because you now know what is best for you. Okay, so thank you for listening guys. Stay tuned and keep following Outlaw Lift.